Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be solving question number 4 from chapter 3. So this is the question. It says that convert the following while loop into an equivalent for loop. So we have int sum is equal to 0, we have another int count is equal to 1, and we have do bracket open, we have sum plus or equal to counter, we have counter plus plus curly bracket close while counter is less than 10. Okay, so this is very simple. The first thing, we have an integer, so we're just going to that integer variable which is sum, then the initial value is what? 0. So we are done with the first part. The rest of the code is just while loop for loop. So for here the integer is counter, so it's going to be int counter, and what is the initial value? The initial value is 1. So we are done with this one. So the while is going to be while counter is less than 2. So while we just bring counter less than 10, sorry. So while counter is less than 10, what should we do when the counter is less than 10? Then we have to increment counter by 1. So it's going to be counter plus plus. So this is for the, so if we are done all this, what else? It says that sum plus equal to counter. That one is just, you're just going to copy the same thing. So it's going to be the sum, which is 0, is equal to this, plus or equal to the counter. Oh my god, counter. We are done. That's it. So the for loop is the same as do while loop. Okay, so the first statement says what? Integer, counter, which is an integer variable, is equal to 1. This is the initial value. So while this counter is less than 10, we should keep on incrementing it by 1. So while counter is less than 10, do this and that. And this is the statement if you want to print something or any statement. So sum plus or equal to counter. So you are going to just like add the counter and then the sum. So let me run it. You see, nothing has appeared because we didn't print anything. We have just set the values and then the variables. So there's no print statement. So that's it. So this is how you convert the do while loop into for loop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.